We live in a world that never stops. We're taught to work hard, trade our precious time for money, and repeat the cycle every single day. But for many of us, no matter how fast we run, the finish line of financial security seems to keep moving further away. Have you ever wondered, what if you didn't have to work for money, but instead made your money work for you? What if your time was finally, truly yours? Our mission is simple, yet powerful: to empower you to master the modern economy through our 3 core pillars, paving a clear, sustainable path toward your financial freedom. First, smart earning. In this digital age, doors are opening like never before. We'll explore high-impact income streams and smart ways to build multiple sources of wealth in 2026 and beyond. Second, wise managing. Making money is only half the battle. Keeping it and growing it is where the magic happens. We'll dive deep into the psychology of spending and the art of wealth growth. Finally, motivation. The fuel for your journey will provide the mindset and the drive you need to stay consistent when things get tough. This journey is not a sprint, it's a marathon. It requires discipline, curiosity, and a touch of wisdom. Use this knowledge, conduct your own research, and take that vital first step. If you're ready to turn your dream of financial freedom into a reality, subscribe now and hit the bell icon to stay updated. I'm your wise coin buddy. Let's start building your future through smart earning, wise managing, and unstoppable motivation. I'll see you in the next video.